This is Module 12, Equations and Relationships, bonus questions. If you have already completed Module 12 quiz, Equations and Relationships, you may continue forward. If you have not completed Module 12 Equation and Relationships quiz, then please do not start this video. In this video, you have 14 through 26 questions. You do not have to answer all questions. Each question is worth bonus points only. Number 14. Decide whether n equals 9 is a solution to the equation 2 plus n equals 7. Write yes or no. Number 15. The weight of a goat increased by 12 pounds is 38 pounds. Write an equation to represent the situation. Number 16. 12 inches is cut from a board. The remaining board is 18 inches long. Write an equation to represent the situation. Number 17. Decide whether n equals 3.5 is a solution to the equation 2n equals 70. Write yes or no. 18. Solve the equation below. M minus 3 equals 13 and 8/10. 19. Solve the equation below. 2 and 3/10 equals P plus 6/10. 20. Denise scored 3 fewer points than Carter scored. Denise scored 18 points. How many points did Carter score? Write an equation to represent the situation, then solve the equation to answer the problem. 21. The sales tax on a $250 computer is $17.50. Find the sales tax rate. 22. Last year, Mark was 46 inches tall. This year, Mark's height is 3 inches less than Peter's height. Peter is 51 inches tall. How tall is Mark? Write an equation to represent the situation, then solve the equation to answer the problem. 23. Solve the equation below. 5p equals 100. 24. Solve the equation below. D divided by 1 and 2/10 equals 6. 25. There are 144 pencils in a box. If each member of the class gets 8 pencils, there will be no pencils left over. How many members of the class are there? Write an equation to represent the situation, then solve the equation to answer the problem. 26. Jeff found 3 times as many seashells as his sister. Jeff found 39 seashells. How many seashells did his sister find? Write an equation to represent the situation, then solve the equation to answer the problem. You have reached the end of your bonus questions. If you would like to hear any of these questions reread, please rewind the video and listen as many times as you need.